Okay, welcome back. Now, this video I'm going to show you how to do a video ping using image packs. And I'm just going to pull a video. I'm not going to actually freeze and ping it, so let's just call it dog training. Or how about outdoor patios? I know I have some videos or some thumbnails for that. Outdoor patios. So I'm going to pick one that has a lot of views. Amazing patio design ideas. 300,000 reviews 2 years ago. So I'm going to choose that.
If you manage a team.
Now, here's the cool thing is there's not a lot of description content in here. But let's say that you have an affiliate product on ClickBank about 101 patio designs. And you'd like to use this video to promote that ClickBank product on your social posts and social integrations. So this is what I use it for, is I will find a video that is about amazing patio designs. Come over here and I'm going to click add, paste that in there. Okay, let's spin the title and just I'm just going to spin the title only. Okay. Got some cool stuff in there. Looks nice. Amazing patio design. So they're giving credit back to the music and copyright matters. So now, if you want to put your and let's just say I have a bit.ly link in here. Bit.ly, and I'll just put in some letters in there. Okay, that's how you can put in your own link in the description box because you're going to be sharing it on your social networks. So I always like to just sneak one in here on the bottom. Tags are good. The thumbnail, that thumbnail looks good, but we're going to put it on all our social networks. So I'm going to hit update. I'm going to move to thumbnail tabs. Now, I have an image pack. These are ones that I've saved that are in my folder. They're my image packs. So, backyard escapes. And you can either do them randomly or in order from the first video down to the last video. So, I'm just going to do random. Add EXIF to the thumbnails. Now, what it's going to do is it's going to create EXIF data and put it into thumbnails and save them as JPEGs. So that actually helps you get ranking juice because we're going to put your link inside back to your video post. Now I'm going to hit image replacement. I'm going to say use image pack, hit update, create variations. Now what it's done, and I know these look skewed because it's the sizing that we have on the row here, but they're actually 1280 by 720. They're just kind of scrunched together to get them on this table. But we've got 32 images in there, all good looking images. And I actually created these with Canva using, these are CSS, or they're shareable images that Canva Pro had. And you can actually pick them up, and I'll show you on another video. You can pick them up in image packs, and we create a bunch of image packs that you can actually choose and download into your own image pack folder. So those are good looking images, and I'm going to hit move to integrations tab. Now I'm going to use a template, and let's just call it wine box. I'm going to use that one, see where that one goes. Okay. Let's go ahead and send it to link processor. And I'm going to go to Tumblr also. Because these are visually appealing, I'm going to use the photo link post. And let's put it on VidP here. There we go. I'm only going to post it one time. Now, ideally, you would want to have dozens of Tumblr accounts, and same with Twitter, and just share it across all of them on a scheduled posting. So let's go up to Twitter. Let's see, I've got 2 in there. Let's add a few more. Renee's Passion, Amazing Hamburger, and Wear It Art. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go 5, and we'll just do it evenly. Blogger. Let's see. I got it in Drive Gadgets. And let's see. So it's going to take those images, those featured images, and it's going to place it in the Amazon bucket and folder here. And then Blogger is going to pull out of this to create backlinks to the actual images themselves in the photo link post. So link post, let's do this one video embed post, and I'm going to go evenly. I've got 1, 2, 3, so let's do 3 to Blogger, and Tumblr. I'm skipping that. Let's go to Master Sites. Put some over there. Teaser clips. Let's do. I don't have a good one for patio, so I'll just put it in here on money lessons. I'll delete this later. How to save money. Good one there. Okay. Private Blogger Network. Let's take it out of financial videos and let's put it in remodeling. And home remodeling videos, landscaping, hardwood roofing. That's pretty good right there. And then I'll hit update. Now, again, you can save this as a template, so I'm going to just save it as a template. Patio remodeling. And you can give it a description. It would only be for your use only. So we've got everything ready to go, and I'm going to move to Ping tab. And let's schedule it out over the next 60 days. Hit update. Now, doing this, spacing it out like that, is a really good strategy for long-term ranking. So once it's there, then I'm just going to come in here and hit freeze and ping. Now, if you'll notice, it's going to go to WordPress, it's going to go to Blogger, Twitter, Tumblr, go into the PBN, and then it's going to start doing link processor, and it's going to create some Amazon embeds. Now, if you look through here, and let's say that you see that there's some issues with it. Let's see, Masher Sites. It looks like it's going to Masher Sites a lot. So, and I don't really want it to do that. So I'm going to look back on integrations to see what happened. Come down here to Masher Sites. I said all, and I had 32 variations. So I don't want it going 32 times to this Masher site in the next 60 days. So I'm going to look at that, and then for some reason, Amazon, let's see what it did here. Put it in Ragless Tools. That's okay. So what I'm going to do to fix this is come back here to video, come back here to dashboard, and video pane. And there's the latest, and here's how you fix it. Just change your active status. And that pauses it right there. It's not going to go any further. Now, you can't, because you've already freeze and ping this one, is you will have to go in and create a new one from scratch. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this again. Just copy that one. I would go in and hit add, get data. We'll spin the title again. Come down here, hit update, and move to thumbnails. Pull my image packs, and I'm going to pull the patio, backyard escapes, random, send EXIF, and I'm going to use the image packs. Hit update. Create variations, and come down here to integrations. And I'm going to come back up here. Remember, we created that, so I'm just going to copy that template into it, and let's just check with everything here. We're doing one video to one WordPress. That looks good. Blogger. We're doing 3 videos. We're spreading it evenly to here, and we're using an Amazon folder for the images. Twitter, evenly 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going to go 1 to each. Tumblr, I'm only going 1 time out, so I'm only sending it once to the, and I'm going to send a photo link post. Private blogger network, remodeling videos. Let's put it, I think I have a hobby, health, unboxing. Let's do real estate videos. Home buying tips. That's a pretty good one to put in there. Amazon, and let's put it in the right one. VidPenguin, select folder. Let's go over here to videos and master sites. Now this is the one that I had messed up on. So I think we defaulted wrong. We're going to default to 1 video here for you. And I think we're ready to go. Hit update and move to Ping tab. So that's how easy it is if you create a template that you can just go back and do it again. So I would hit, let's put it back on 60 days, hit update. And notice I'm down to, I've got 5 pages, so let's look at 1. Yeah, this looks real good. Link processor's hitting it later. And there we go. So everything looks really good in there. Then you would just hit freeze and ping and you're ready to go. So I just hit freeze and ping and off to the races. That's how easy it is. Now, using your image packs, you've got a lot of options there of what you want to put in there. So I'll end this video, and in the next videos, we're going to start talking about integrations. How do you set up all these integrations?